Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I'm baking a potato pudding. So guys, I want you to stay tuned to see how I bake my potato pudding. Okay, first I'm going to grate my potato, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna grate my potato. I use 3 potatoes, 2 big one and a small one. So this is how I'm grating it. So after I finish grating it, I'm gonna add my flour and all my other dry ingredients to make my pudding. Alright, alright guys, so now that my potato is finished grated, I'm going to get my dry ingredients sorted out now. So here I'm going to use 2 cups of flour, which I'm going to sieve it. So this is 1. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to add my nutmeg inside it so that I can sieve it as well. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. To have the same amount of cinnamon powder as well, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Baking powder. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder as well. Oh, I'm going to sieve this out now. So this is an easy siever that I have. Yeah, you just see, you squeeze it like this and you just easily sieve it. Yeah. Alright. So this is my dry ingredients now. Oh, I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to add my coconut cream into this. and I'm going to use 2 cups. This is 1. Alright, so that's 2 cups of coconut cream. Now I'm going to add my vanilla. I can just throw all of this in. I have a new one for that side. And here I have some mixed spice. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. Then I'm going to add some melted butter. This is like 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Now I'm going to add my sugar. Well, with me, when I'm baking, I don't like my stuff to be sweet. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna have 1 big spoon, 2 big spoons of this, because I don't want it to be sweet. We do it back in the days, yeah. Mix it around. Make sure the sugar is dissolved in the coconut milk. Let me taste it and see if it is up to my standard that I wanted it, and I guess that it is, because as I said, I don't like when every time I bake cake, whatever I bake, I love it to, I don't want it to be sweet. I don't love it when it's too sweet. I think when it's too sweet, it's not, you know. Yeah, this is how I want it. You can taste the mixed spice in it. Yes, the mixed spice have a lot to do with it. And this is Benjamin mixed spice. I love using my mixed spice whenever time I'm baking anything. Alright. So I guess the sugar is dissolved out now. Okay. So here I'm going to add, this is like 3 cups of grated potato. See, 3 cups. So, I roughly 2.5 cups here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add in all my dry ingredients in this along with my sugar and coconut mixture. Okay. But first, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a pinch of salt in this. I'm not even going to use a lot. I'm just going to use 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna add it to the flour. Right. So I'm just gonna add the flour in this, the dry ingredients in this. Then what I'm doing now, I'm going to mix it around so that everything can combine together before I add my coconut mixture, alright? See? Now how I'm gonna bake this now, guys, my stove is not working. I guess the person is supposed to come and look at it from I use it in Christmas. I saw a little error come up on it and I don't really know, so I think it needs a technician and I don't come and say to look at it. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to bake this outside. Not just outside, I'm going to put it on my grill outside. Yeah, so you guys will see when I bake it on it. Alright, so I'm going to take my time now and add in this little garlic. And I'm going to mix. I'm going to add like a 3/4 cup of refined meal to it. I always add it in, so I'm going to add it in there. You can also use not banana. You can also use your use piece of yellow yam if you have any. But whenever time I'm doing potato, I always add like some refined meat to it. Right? Make sure you mix it all properly. See? So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to add some raisin, but here I have some raisin that I have in some flour, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to sieve off the flour off it so that it can add the raisin to the flour, allow the raisin to stay around it, right? Not on top alone. It keeps the raisin all inside, if you understand what I mean. I'm going to add this. Now this was just some mixture from the cake, so I'm just going to use it up and just add it in there. But this was doing good, but it doesn't matter. Alright guys, so you just stay tuned and you can continue watch and see how I'm doing my thing, alright? Now this has been rum and wine. So alright guys, so almost finished mixing. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put it in my pot. Yes, I'm going to put it into a pot. So you see all the raisins are all around in it. Once you put the raisin into the flour, it allows the raisin to keep inside and not on top. It spreads all around it. Alright? So see? What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to grease my pot. And this is what I'm going to bake it in. So I'm going to grease it and then I'm going to put it in outside on my grill and set it. Alright guys, so you just stay tuned. Alright guys, so see, I had it on the grill. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it, then I shut down the grill. I turn it down. So see, this is the heat indicator. So as you see, it's baking go along. Okay, so stay tuned guys.
Give them something to talk about, but me not go make them draw me out.